Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a very powerful Ethereum arbitrage strategy that allows you to buy ETH at a lower rate and then you can sell it for profits, and you can be making up to $60 per transaction. This method is working right now and I will be walking you through it step by step using just $200 capital. I'll explain the process for you guys without wasting much of your time. Guys, let's dive in. So guys, this is the WEEX platform and this is the app I'm going to be using to get Ethereum at a very cheap rate. So what I want you guys to do once you're in this app, I want you guys to be coming over the market trading section over here, and you can locate the sports market. Make sure that you are on the sports market, because with the sports market you can buy crypto assets and then transfer them from one account to another. Once you're in the sports market, I want you guys to locate the ETH to USDC pair over on the spot market, which is it right here. So guys, you can see the current market price for the Ethereum to USDC pair is at a rate of $2,048. So guys, I want you guys to just take note of this price down first. I want you guys to take note of this price down. Guys, now I'm currently in the Bybit app and I want you guys to be coming over to the Bybit P2P trading section. Guys, I want you guys to be coming to the sell section of the P2P trading market. Then you change these current pairs and make sure they are in ETH and USDC pair over here. Guys, as you can see, the current price for ETH to USDT at the Bybit P2P trading market is at a rate of $2,663. Guys, I'm sure some of you might have been noticing that there is a very high profit margin gap between the price of the ETH to USDT on the WEEX trading sports platform and at the Bybit P2P trading section. I'm sure some of you might still be confused, but don't worry, I'm going to explain this process for you practically. Now, before we continue, if you don't already have an account with WEEX platform, you can use my referral link in the description or in the comment section to get started, and you may also get up to $500 welcome bonus if you are able to make your first deposit on the WEEX platform. You're able to get $50 rewards and $500 welcome bonus in rewards. Guys, for those of you that already have a registered WEEX account, what will happen is that you're going to use your $200 to buy ETH at the spot market at the WEEX app at a rate of $2,048, because that's the current market price of ETH to USDT at the WEEX app. You're getting a total of 0.097656 Ethereum. This Ethereum will be deposited into your spot trading account. Guys, next thing you have to do is transfer this Ethereum from your spot trading account to your funding account on the WEEX app. Once the Ethereum is in your funding account, you can now withdraw this Ethereum to any other app of your choice. So guys, if you are to withdraw this Ethereum to your Bybit wallet, it's still going to be in your Bybit funding account. Then you will leave it in your Bybit funding account. All you have to do is go to the Bybit P2P trading section and then you find the profitable merchants over here at the Bybit trading section. Make sure that the merchant that you are indulging in a trade with is a verified merchant. Make sure that it has a good completion rate so you not encounter any troubles once you are performing trade with them. Make things more easier for you. You can filter out this amount to a more lesser rate so you can easily find merchants that are trading in the same limits with you. If you are using a capital of $200, you can easily filter out this amount to a capital of $100 right here, and you easily find merchants that are trading in the same limits such as you. Guys, Bybit will automatically bring out best merchant with the best price for you to trade with at your top pick, and currently, as you can see, this guy is a verified merchant, so I can perform a trade with him. Guys, if I want to sell Ethereum to this merchant, let me just paste it over here. If I'm to sell my quantity of Ethereum to this merchant, I'll be gaining a total of $260 back. I will receive $260 back. This $260 will be transferred to my bank account. You can see right over here. So guys, we use the capital of $200 and as you can see, we are gaining a total of $260 total cash back. You can see we're making a total profit of about $60 if we are to indulge in this process. Alright guys, that's exactly how this Ethereum arbitrage strategy works step by step. As you can see, with just $200 you can potentially make up to $60 profits per transaction depending on the market conditions. Remember, these opportunities don't last forever, so always check the price differences before executing any trade and make sure to only trade with verified merchants with a high completion rate. Now, very important, if you don't already have an account on the WEEX platform, you can use my referral link in the description or in the comment section to get started. You might also be eligible for up to $500 welcome bonus when you make your first deposit, so it is a great way to start. Also, if you're just finding my channel for the first time, welcome. I regularly share practical arbitrage strategies like this step by step, so you can see real profits and learn how to take action. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates that I might drop. For those of you who want more exclusive insights, I have a dedicated Telegram group where I drop real-time tips, arbitrage opportunities, and market updates that I don't always share on my YouTube channel. So I will leave the link in the description section and in the comment section. You can also join my WhatsApp group to get instant alerts and strategies as soon as I find them. Joining these groups is the best way to stay ahead and consistently find profitable opportunities like this. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment with any question, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep growing profit together. Thank you for watching, guys.